started. So this is step one of making non-Newtonian fluids do non-Newtonian types of things, as we are building a little speaker box from a cheap $12 speaker from Axeman and some particle board. So we have mounted the speaker in there, so we got something nice and steady to make to do our dancing. Step one. Okay, next thing we're doing is we're taking a standard 40-watt guitar amplifier, and I've removed the leads to the speaker, and I'm going to wire that up to our other speaker so we can use this amplifier. Okay, step 4. Now that we've got the amplifier wired up to the speaker, we've connected the amplifier into the back of your regular run-of-the-mill home computer. That's step 4. Okay, the next thing we did, step 5 or 6 or whatever the heck it is we downloaded a program called NCH Tone Generator. I'm sure you can Google it. Free program, took about 2 seconds to get it and download it, and this will generate the sound and the sine wave basically to drive the speaker. Okay, step number 5, it's more on intuition here, is we took and cut out the top of a bucket, actually put some saran wrap down in here to waterproof the speaker. It's a little thin, but I think it should work okay. Good. The important thing is that the fluid makes contact with the speaker, which it should. And then by our high-tech contraption here of duct taping the top of this lid down, should be moderately waterproof, so we don't have a huge mess on our hands when we get going here. That's step 5. You see that? Back up a little bit. This is called Argo 100% pure cornstarch. This is what Mrs. Bakke bought. I have no idea if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. See this? We're going to add some regular tap water to this, and we're going to stir it up now. Step 6. Alright, so we mixed our cornstarch and water, and we have, thanks Lauren, we now have our non-Newtonian fluid. This is cornstarch and water, and when you feel it, it feels like it didn't get quite blended, but it did. It's sort of strange. It's a solid when you compress it. It feels like a solid, but as soon as you release it, it turns back into a liquid. Let's see if I could show you that a little bit more explicitly here. That feels like a solid. Don't put pressure on it, it turns back into a liquid. This was step 7, I believe. Alright, take 2. Just ran out of space on my card right at the moment of truth. And here we go. Alan's going to hit the play button at 30 Hertz sine wave coming out of our tone generator. And we're going to see how this looks. Hit it, Ellen. And you can see the stuff sort of bubbling and kind of screwing around there a little bit. Doesn't look like much. results. No, this is not a living being. This is a non-Newtonian fluid with a very specific frequency, looking like some sort of beast. Give a shot of my assistant Ellen. Wave, Ellen. Good job, Igor. Scientist. And there you have it. Non-Newtonian fluid. Behaving in a very strange